PHS News Today for Thursday, November 21st. The hills are alive with the sound of music. Come see the show today and tomorrow. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. NHS is partnering with Troop for our annual food drive. Bring in non-perishable food items to your homeroom until tomorrow. The homeroom with the most items per student will receive a breakfast treat. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Checking out the weather today. We may see some rain later in your day or later in your week. Today we have a high of 54 and a low of 40. Tomorrow we have a high of 47 and a low of 37. Ending your week on Saturday, we see the temperature dropping just a little bit with a high of 40 and a low of 30. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.